Welcome to our video on the impact of artificial intelligence on our lives in next 10 years part 2. In this video, we'll explore how the next 10 years of life with AI would look like in detail. Let us begin. First, improved healthcare. Medical imaging. AI can help analyze medical images such as X-rays, CT scans, and MRI scans to detect potential health issues more accurately and efficiently. Machine learning algorithms can be trained to identify patterns and anomalies in medical images that may not be immediately apparent to human doctors. For example, AI can be used to detect cancerous tumors at an earlier stage, allowing for more effective treatment. Electronic health records. AI can also be used to analyze electronic health records, EHRs, to identify patterns and trends in patient data. This can help doctors make more informed decisions about treatment plans and identify potential health risks before they become serious issues. AI can also be used to predict patient outcomes based on their medical history and other factors, allowing doctors to provide more personalized care. Drug discovery. AI can help accelerate the drug discovery process by identifying potential drug candidates and predicting their effectiveness. Machine learning algorithms can be used to analyze large datasets of chemical compounds and identify those that are most likely to be effective in treating specific diseases. This can help pharmaceutical companies bring new drugs to market more quickly and at a lower cost. Medical robots. AI-powered medical robots can assist doctors and nurses in performing complex medical procedures. For example, surgical robots can be used to perform minimally invasive surgeries with greater precision and accuracy than human surgeons. Robots can also be used to assist with tasks such as patient monitoring and medication delivery. Second, more personalized experiences. Personalized product recommendations. AI-powered recommendation engines can analyze customer data to provide personalized product recommendations. For example, a customer who frequently purchases athletic wear might receive recommendations for new workout gear based on their purchase history and browsing behavior. This can help businesses increase customer loyalty and drive sales. Personalized content. AI can also be used to provide personalized content based on a customer's preferences and interests. For example, a streaming service might use machine learning algorithms to recommend movies and TV shows that the customer is likely to enjoy, based on their viewing history and ratings. This can help improve the customer's overall experience and increase engagement with the service. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can provide personalized customer support and assistance. Chatbots can be programmed to answer common customer questions, provide product recommendations, and even handle transactions. This can help improve the customer experience by providing fast and efficient support around the clock. Personalized pricing. AI can also be used to provide personalized pricing based on a customer's behavior and preferences. For example, an e-commerce business might offer a discount to a customer who has abandoned their shopping cart, in order to incentivize them to complete the purchase. This can help improve conversion rates and increase customer satisfaction. Personalized marketing. AI can help businesses create more targeted and personalized marketing campaigns. By analyzing customer data, businesses can create customized messaging and offers that are more likely to resonate with individual customers. This can help improve the effectiveness of marketing campaigns and increase customer engagement. Third, increased efficiency in manufacturing. Predictive maintenance. AI-powered predictive maintenance systems can help manufacturers identify potential equipment failures before they occur. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, these systems can predict when equipment is likely to fail and alert maintenance teams to perform maintenance or repairs. This can help reduce downtime and prevent costly equipment failures. Quality control. AI can also be used to improve quality control processes in manufacturing. Machine learning algorithms can analyze data from sensors and cameras to detect defects in products as they are being produced. This can help manufacturers identify quality issues early on and make adjustments to improve product quality. Supply chain management. AI can help manufacturers optimize their supply chain by analyzing data on inventory levels, demand forecasts, and supplier performance. This can help manufacturers make more informed decisions about when to order materials and how much to order, as well as identify potential supply chain bottlenecks. Autonomous robots. AI-powered autonomous robots can be used in manufacturing to perform tasks such as material handling, assembly, and packaging. These robots can work around the clock without breaks, and can be programmed to perform tasks with greater precision and speed than human workers. This can help manufacturers increase productivity and reduce labor costs. Process optimization. AI can also be used to optimize manufacturing processes by analyzing data on production processes and identifying areas for improvement. For example, machine learning algorithms can analyze data on machine performance and make recommendations for adjustments to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Fourth, enhanced customer service. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can be used to provide instant and efficient customer support. These chatbots can be programmed to answer common customer questions, provide product recommendations, and even handle transactions. By automating some of the more routine customer interactions, businesses can free up customer service representatives to focus on more complex issues. Natural language processing. AI-powered natural language processing, NLP, can be used to understand and analyze customer inquiries and feedback. By using NLP algorithms to analyze customer feedback, businesses can gain insights into customer preferences and pain points. This can help businesses improve their products and services and create a more positive customer experience. Personalization. AI can be used to personalize customer service interactions based on a customer's history and preferences. For example, a customer who frequently purchases athletic wear might receive targeted offers and product recommendations for new workout gear. By providing personalized service, businesses can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. Real-time support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can provide instant support around the clock, regardless of the time zone. This can help businesses improve their responsiveness to customer inquiries and provide a better overall customer experience. Sentiment analysis. AI can be used to analyze customer feedback and determine customer sentiment. By analyzing customer reviews and social media posts, businesses can gain insights into how customers feel about their products and services. This can help businesses identify areas for improvement and respond to customer concerns in a timely manner. Fifth, safer transportation. Autonomous vehicles. AI-powered autonomous vehicles can help reduce the number of accidents caused by human error. These vehicles can use sensors, cameras, and other technologies to detect and avoid obstacles, follow traffic laws, and make safe driving decisions. By removing the potential for human error, autonomous vehicles can help make transportation safer for everyone on the road. Traffic management. AI can be used to optimize traffic flow and reduce congestion. By analyzing data from sensors and cameras, AI algorithms can predict traffic patterns and adjust traffic signals to improve flow. This can help reduce the risk of accidents caused by congestion or other traffic-related issues. Predictive maintenance. AI-powered predictive maintenance systems can help transportation companies identify potential equipment failures before they occur. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, these systems can predict when equipment is likely to fail and alert maintenance teams to perform maintenance or repairs. This can help prevent equipment failures that could lead to accidents. Weather prediction. AI can be used to predict weather patterns and provide real-time updates to drivers and transportation companies. This can help drivers make safer decisions and avoid potentially dangerous weather conditions. Safety monitoring. AI-powered cameras and sensors can be used to monitor vehicles and infrastructure for potential safety hazards. For example, cameras can detect pedestrians or other vehicles in a driver's blind spot, while sensors can detect potentially hazardous road conditions. By providing real-time alerts to drivers and transportation companies, AI can help prevent accidents and improve overall safety. Conclusion. The conclusion of the video acknowledges that while AI has made a positive impact on our lives, there are also potential risks and concerns that need to be addressed. The video encourages viewers to continue exploring the potential of AI while being mindful of its potential impact. Overall, the video highlights how AI has made significant improvements in healthcare, customer service, manufacturing, transportation, and more, and how it will continue to shape our lives in the future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you soon.